Hi there, it's Ty with WTI. And if you are in a work situation or you have business at home where you need barcode reader, this ScanAvenger barcode reader is excellent. It comes with the USB charger, so you can easily just charge it whenever you're at your computer. And also, it reads barcodes. For example, I have here from my recent online order, and it reads it. For example, for everyday user, this could be handy if you're shipping packages away from your home and then you want to track the shipments. So you can easily make a list on your computer and you have all your barcodes there. And also if you're working with business that requires you to take some work to home. So this is excellent for anybody who works from home and has to deal with barcode readers. But also it's kind of like fun to just even categorize all the items you have at home so you can make a list of everything that has a barcode. Even acrylic paints come with barcodes, so sometimes I just like to make a list of everything I have, so then you know immediately what you're running low on and you can make handy lists for yourself on your computer. I also enjoy the very calm, nice little beep it makes, so it doesn't take on your nerve even if you're using the barcode reader many times a day, because it just reads just like you're signing out books on a library. Of course, if you have a library at home, this is excellent barcode reader for your library books too. So I would recommend this to anybody who is looking for a reliable barcode reader. This has been reading all the barcodes that I have been needing to read, and that is my point of view.